Second part of the first chapter is introduction to computer. Then for input section and for output process of computer do this many facilities provides us: ticket reservations, bank operations, inventory management and manufacturing support, entertainment such as playing games, sending mails, chatting, robotics, space application, website development and everything. Now a simple mode of a computer. The input section which we do is called input unit. The instruction which we feed is called input unit. It is done on the basis of input devices. Main process is done by input devices. We have in input devices many example. Like in input devices, we have the main example is our keyboard, from which we feed your input, and joysticks, USBs and universal several buses, compact discs. This all are input unit and devices. Then it's come for processing unit. Processing unit is mainly an memory and control unit. It's an memory and control unit. Once input is collected via input device, the input is needed to be stored in the computer memory. Computer memory remains data, instruction and proceed output for a while or for a long time. There are different types of computer memories. Such computer memories is RAM and ROM. My primary memory, and ROM is secondary memory. For primary memory, RAM, random access memory. ROM, read only memory. Random access memory, the memory which is used one time, that is not permanent. It is not permanently used. Read only memory is used as permanently, but it is only read only memory. We can only see our stored data, but we can't share it. In that, three types are there: arithmetic logical unit, control unit and control processing unit. Arithmetic logical unit is for numbers and processing data in countable calculation manners as arithmetic logical unit. Control unit, the data which is saved in computer, it is secured and used for proper purpose with neat and clean manner, that is control unit. And last but not the least, control processing unit, that is CPU. It handles our every data in our CD, DVD, USB. We can share our data. Output unit. Output unit is the result which we get on the with the help of output devices. Output devices are many of time. Main type is monitor, which we are using. Monitor gives us main result of our output. An output unit we get on the basis of output devices only. This three processing units of computer handles entire system of our computer. Thank you.